Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. My name is Christy and I'm a makeup artist and photographer. Today we will talk about colors. I've seen a couple of really amazing YouTube videos that are explaining color harmonies, how colors work together, how you use the opposite colors or the colors in the same group, and also combinations of all the above, and explaining all the famous photographers and painters from all times, how they done their work so it looks really good. I went to the Stone House with my model Sophia. Stone House is a very fine place if you're looking for quality wines. I really like this place, particularly to take somebody for a date or just enjoy my own time and have a glass and a beautiful environment. My model Sophia, she never done anything like this before, so I took her to my salon. I done her makeup and hair, and then we went to the Stone House. I think she had a wonderful time. You can hear what she said about the session in a second. And now, if you wanna visit Stone House, it's on a Kavanagh Street in Darwin. So if you're traveling here or if you live here, feel free to do so. It's a wonderful place to spend an evening. And now let's hear Sophia, what she reckons about the session, and then we can head straight into the video. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe, so I can bring you more content about photography and makeup. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Would you like to say how you enjoyed your day today?
It's been amazing. I am not a model. She's told me what to do and made me look pretty, and I'm feeling good. Woo!
Thank you.
Wanna feel how fast my heart would beat if you were close to me. I wanna show you.
Before we started, we had to reorganize the venue a little bit because we wanted to work with the windows. You can see the room is nice and darkish, and the windows were giving us a really beautiful light from the outside, and it created that effect, the mood. It was deep, it was really beautiful, and the lights created nice bokeh behind her.
Hypnotized.
I was working here with opposite colors, with the red skirt, and then we wanted to balance it, so we used the blue greenish as a tone. On the next photo, we tried to look for one color on the whole photo, so we went for the yellow, orange, red combination. These colors symbolize happiness. That's why it's widely used for weddings. Now we started using the second window. I wanted to capture the full body, or at least half body, so we had to make a little bit of space. As you can see, the lights are reflecting nice light on the tables behind her, and the window is giving us a beautiful light coming through again for the nice contrast.
I wanna know you, wanna feel how fast my heart would beat if you were close to me. I wanna show you, wanna let you loose inside my brain.
I really liked how the window is shining light, and so I added a little bit of a warm tone light coming through at the window. I'm again using opposite colors here. I'm using the red and blue greenish with the combination of the nice light coming through. I'm really in love with this photo. We moved to the corner where are the wine bottles, and I was trying to capture here the mood, and I wanted to separate the model from the background, so I put her with her hair facing the window. This bottle particularly inspired me to do this outfit. I love the Spanish look, and it very well matches my model as well. The curly hair, the nice toned skin, it really worked out well with the mood of the wine and the whole venue.
I can't seem to look away. I'm hypnotized.
Now here comes the wine. Taking a few snaps with the glass and with the bottle. I'm using my reflector, so I put a little bit more light on the other side of the model, but the light from the window is still dominant to the photo, but I felt like I wasn't getting enough light on the other side, and reflector is a beautiful source of natural light, how to achieve an extra soft light on the other side.
I wanna know you, wanna feel how fast my heart would beat if you were close to me. I wanna show you, wanna let you loose inside.
Now we were shooting a little bit backlit, where I asked my model to lift the skirt a little bit to get the light going through, because the skirt was a little bit transparent, and it made this beautiful dreamy look. And I added a little bit of sunlight again coming through with one of my overlays, and it really looks like a fairy tale picture. I'm very happy with this one as well.
I'm hypnotized.
This is the bottle that inspired me to do this project and use this wide red skirt. There is a lady with her arms up, and she is wearing this beautiful red dress. I've been actually in a Stonehouse on Saturday, and this is one of my favorite wines I have ever had. and because I love the label, I had to just come and do the project here.
Hypnotized.
This time I was going the other way and I was trying to get the red, yellow and all the similar colors in that range to match the scene. It looks very lovely. When we were down inside with the photo shoot, we went outside. The stone house has a really beautiful garden. It's especially very romantic in the evening when the lights goes on. The tropical vibe and the beautiful orange lights makes the atmosphere just amazing, and as I said, for a date, the perfect environment to be in. We found this amazing chair. It looks like a peacock feathers. We used it for the next photo. This one was extremely difficult. I couldn't figure out edit. I think I done maybe 12 different variants until I figured my favorite one, and this is what we figured out. I love how I work with the colors here. I was trying to make it very simple and as less color as possible at the back, and then I try to bring up the color of the dress where is red and green blue contrast. They are also opposite colors, and it stands out very nicely on the photo. I was trying to find the perfect angle, and I was fighting a little bit with the bush behind me. However, later on I tried to use it as a prep.
I can't seem to look away. I'm hypnotized.
And I put the leaves in front of my camera, and I made kind of a nice yellow greenish overlay on the photo. It's something a little bit different. It looks quite nice, but later on I had to remove it from the edit anyway, because the greens and yellows were overlooking and taking eyes away from my model.
I wanna know you. Wanna feel how fast my heart
this.
would beat if you
Okay, ready?
close to me.
Wow!
Wanna show you. Wanna let you lose
Girl.
my to see. Or stay.
Those are amazing. You don't even need to edit them. I mean, they're so good. Yeah. Bravo!
We were almost finished, but I have decided we'll go to the garden and take a couple more pictures. My apology for the visuals. I was working and setting camera when the sun was above the clouds, and then the sun went out and it made it overexposed. My apology for that. Thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you Stonehouse for having us. We had a wonderful time. Also thank you Sophia for trusting me. She never done anything like this before, and so it's always wonderful to show somebody new around and look after them for a day. We had a wonderful afternoon and we will be absolutely back. If you enjoy my content, you can subscribe and like, give me a comment. What do you think about the photos and how I did work out the colors? And please, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will leave the link in the description down below for the videos I've been learning the color relationships from. Now you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!